So brother, we already note, and also after finishing the meeting, our task is that the ads again optimize, and based on night time, what we can do, we will do, and we will update. And the second thing is this last in this month, the last days before February, we will audit the SEO and create the full SEO report. What's our charge, also how many works we do, and how many blog posts newly we post. This is number 2 task. And the number 3 task is before February we need to complete the website.
Yeah.
Saying we can only focus either on SEO or Google Ads?
No, Mahbub, I actually try to understand you. Yeah, SEO and Google Ads, what you think, but first our step is website curriculum perfectly set up.
Then we should go ahead with Google Ads, SEO, or something like that.
Okay, so do the website and then,
Yeah.
but can we do SEO and Google Ads at the
Yeah,
same time?
because
Yeah, yeah,
for
definitely.
SEO, Google Ads also more better, because
Yeah.
Google see what website getting more clicks and impression. Then Google think, yes, here is a good information, and all time Google think they wanna provide some good information with their visitor.
Yeah.
And rather,
Yeah.
your question was, is it possible to rank by SEO? Yes, this is possible, but it's also need the Google Ads. You
Yeah.
understand?
Right.
And
Yeah, yeah,
also we
yeah,
need,
that's fine.
yeah, and also we need to research. Me and Mahbub, we can research the competitors and what is the organic competitors in here. They are very strong or low. Based
Yeah.
on these competitors, we can create a plan.